So this was it. This was the moment when I knew I had them. This is a perfect example of what happens when you get some spam DM thrown at you. You can totally overlook it, or you can look for these little clues and end up with a great opportunity. And this turned into a $2,000 program for this particular person. You can see quite clearly I get the spam message. That's just a bot or a VA. It wasn't even that person at all. I went straight for calling it out nicely enough, and I did this first of the 2 steps as a test to see what would happen. If I got no response, then I knew it would just be a bot and there was no one paying any attention to the account. My message, the first one I send out, hi there to your VA, you should check your list. I'm in the UK, it's a waste of time. I called out the reason why it was a bad idea. I said your approach isn't really good. I'm looking for one of 2 outcomes. Either one, they say, I'm really sorry, or my fault, which shows that they are willing to engage here and feel bad about their approach, or anything else, okay? What happened is when they said, actually, it's not me, sorry to bother you, thank you for not being angry, I knew I had them. So what I did was I took my second step, and that's the crucial one. I asked how it was going. So how's it going? Is it performing? So rather than trying to ask for advice, I've instantly positioned myself now as the doctor, as the consultant, as the person in the alpha chair who is in charge asking some questions. Instantly, the moment I got a response from that, I was in. Lots of messages, but not many sales. Only a few connections that reached out to have a meeting. I'm in. And the rest is straightforward. Take her through a process, understand why, ask a few more questions as to what she might think could be the reason why there's a problem, then suggest I can help with it, pivot to the call, and the rest was straightforward. Look out for those 2 steps. So number 1 first, call them out gently on it to show, almost with humor sometimes, that you can help. And then secondly, really, really importantly, make sure you test the connection that's human, that steps forward, and ask what they think might be the problem, or how it's been going, and I'm starting a conversation there. Check out this video right here and you can see more of this kind of content. I'll see you on the next video.